Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up People Edge on your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. People Edge provides quick access to your favorite contacts, so you can easily call or message them. So, if you want to set it up, swipe the Edge panel to the left. And tap the Settings icon. Then tap People. Tap Edit. Tap Select Contacts. Select the contacts you want to include and then tap Done. You can select up to 10 contacts. Now, to view People Edge, swipe the Edge panel to the left. Keep swiping the screen to the left until you reach People Edge. Tap a contact. Tap the call or message icon to start a phone call or send a message to that contact. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it.